Hey there, professionals. Ready to unlock success with effective time management? Here are some tips to boost your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. Maintain focus and let your brain rest. You'll be amazed at your productivity. Next, prioritization. Not all tasks are equal. Use the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks. Focus on urgent and important tasks first. Spend time on what truly matters. Now, time blocking. Dedicate specific blocks of time to tasks. For example, 2 hours for deep work, then meetings. Create a structured schedule to stay on track. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Break big goals into smaller tasks. This makes goals manageable and clear. Learn to say no. Recognize your limits and avoid overcommitting. Protect your time by declining non-priority tasks. Leverage technology. Use apps like Trello or Asana to track tasks. Stay organized and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Review and reflect weekly. Reflect on what worked and what didn't. Continuous improvement is key. There you have it. Powerful time management tips for success. Hit subscribe and leave a comment below. Share your tips or let me know which strategy you'll try. Thanks for watching and stay productive.